Now it's time to ask at this point, does our model actually fit the data? So to do that, we use the Hosmer and Lemeshow test, a goodness of fit check for logistic regression. This test tells us whether the predicted probabilities from our model align well with the actual outcomes in the data. In this test, we want a non-significant result. So we want a value above 0.05, and that's exactly what we got. In this case, the p-value of 0.428 is about 0.05, and that's a good thing. So with a p-value of 0.428, there's no evidence that our model's predictions are off the mark. So your model's predictions are statistically consistent with what actually happened. SPSS even shows us how the predictions stack up against the real outcomes in 10 groups of students here. And they line up pretty nicely. So the way in which to look at it is take the observed against the expected. And if these values are lining up to be very close to each other, then we know we're in a good place. What it's doing is it's stacking these up, splitting it into 10 groups, which are called deciles, based on predicted probability of probation. For each group, what it's showing is how many students were predicted to be on probation, and then how many students actually were, which is the observed versus the expected. From our table, we can see that predictions track very well with the actuals. Looking at group 1, the very low predicted risk, 144 against virtually 144, 143. Then the high predicted risk at group 10 is 87 versus 81, again, very close as well. That's the pattern we want to see. That's a strong visual cue that our model's predictions reflect reality. So this gives us even more confidence that our model is making predictions that reflect what actually happened. Hope you enjoyed this. If you got value out of it, go ahead, hit subscribe, and look forward to putting out more videos for you.